morning, everyone. Well, today we're back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing It's All About the Base. And this is my base page today, and it is Hello Summer by Lori Whitlock, and it's Echo Park. And a couple of mine now I've added stuff to, and then and I'm gonna do same thing today. In fact, right here, I love the bees, but this is going to be about Tegan, who is eating this ice cream cone. And it's like I'm looking at the pictures, you know, it's like I get like no information. But I can tell you this. This kid is trying to eat the ice cream cone instead of the ice cream, which is on the top, of course. And so it's on her nose, on her face, running down her arms. And then, you know, here she looks like, what's going on? I don't know. It's so funny, the look on her face. And here she's like, I got this idea. She's thinking, how come there has to be so much ice cream when all I want is the ice cream cone? And so anyhow, and I've got another photo of her where her ice cream is sitting in a little paper cup and she's eating the cone. And I have to tell you that I was the same. I could not figure out how come all the ice cream couldn't be in the cone, leveled at the top, so I could just eat, you know, ice cream and the cone all at the same time. So I totally get it. Okay, so I am doing, I think I'm putting this one over here, and I'm gonna put this one in the middle because this one, I think, is the one that tells the whole story. Okay, and let me see. I think I'm gonna, now that I know I'm not tucking anything in here, I'm gonna put a little bit of glue underneath this. And I think this is a super cute base page, you know, even before you do anything else to it. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of glue a little bit down. Okay, now since it's about the bees, since this has the bees here, I decided I wanted to use this ice cream cone because this was another strip that was just in my scraps. So I am gonna actually put this here because now I know that this layout is gonna be about this girl in the ice cream cone, which I didn't realize before. And it's just the right size to fit there. We got a little thunderstorm going on here. It's been kind of raining off and on all day. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in the middle because this is my main one. I always forget I need to put my little ruler this way. Not little ruler, invisible ruler. Okay, and I'm going to, let's see. It needs to be, I trimmed it down just a little bit. Whoa. Okay. I just dropped it and it stuck right away. Okay, let's see here. I want to up just a little bit because I want it close to the top there. And then this one here I'm gonna put to one side. Now when I printed these, I had printed out this one because I didn't actually know when it was on my phone reel or whatever they call it in my pictures. I didn't realize that I actually had these other pictures. So I printed out the big one first And then when I got the other ones, I thought, well, oh, there's 3 pictures. I'll just cut them down. And then I realized having that one, which I think is totally the main one, is there. I am, you know, bigger. I thought I'm gonna actually use the big one. Okay, and I'm tucking this one under, and this one I'm gonna leave over it. And I'm kind of trying to tip them the same. I try not to cover up the kid, so if it's covering up something else in the picture that's not really important, I don't care about that. Okay, also I have this little tag, or a 3x4 card, and I'm actually gonna put it behind there because I think when I laid this out, maybe I thought, well, I didn't know what I was gonna put on there. So it looks like it's set for one photo with embellishments here or a title here. Well, since I got all 3, I thought, well, I would kind of like a little bit of blue over here. And I might be able to use these for something. And since it's only gonna show this much, I'm actually gonna just cut that out. Because I'm down to this much stickers, and I still have some scraps left, so I might be able to use it. Okay, and so I am just gonna put a little tape on that, and hopefully I didn't tape this down too much. Oh, nope, I didn't, but now it's stuck. Oh, now I've done that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and actually put it there. Okay, and it does have enough tape on it. So I'm just gonna put it, oh, I was thinking I was doing this, but yeah, I actually put this one down a little bit lower since I put that blue underneath there. I forgot I made that adjustment. Okay. And then I'm gonna put on the title, and I've got some little die cut letters that say too much, and then I'm gonna put ice cream, and then down here I'm gonna put not enough cone. So I'm gonna put those on there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the title on, and I can see this pretty good through the letters. I mean, with the ice cream cones underneath it, but I don't know if it shows up really good there. Okay, yeah, I can see it good there. And here's cone. And so now I've just got my embellishments to add. Now, on the sticker sheet, I had these little pinwheels, and so I'm gonna use those. Let's see, maybe turn like that. And then the other one, I'm just gonna kind of overlap them. Okay. And then I have this ice cream cone, which I got in a swap from one of the groups, Facebook groups I'm in. And what is it called? And I don't have her name here, but I'll put it down below. It's, I think it's Creative something and Swaps. And anyhow, I got this ice cream cone in one of the swaps. And there's actually another piece that goes with it, and I probably have her name on that. But I figured since it's too much ice cream and not enough ice cream cone, I'd use this one because it's got the small cone on it. Ooh, and I'm really pushing it with that, my size of my cone words there. Cone word. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there. And then I made this little bow with some twine, and I think I'm gonna add that right onto the ice cream cone. It's like I just wanted a little more texture, so I thought the little twine would be cute. And I thought about wrapping it around some different places, but I thought I'm just gonna put this little bow right here. I think that'll be cute. And then I've just got enamel dots. And I decided I would use white since she has white ice cream, yeah, or vanilla ice cream. When I was little, it's like I went up to the ice cream truck that stopped in our neighborhood, and I couldn't remember. It was like I was really little, and it's like I'm ordering for the first time probably by myself, and it's like I couldn't remember what the chocolate was called, and that's what my mom wanted. So I said I want vanilla and brown. I want a vanilla cone and a brown cone. Okay, so these are just like, they're pretty white, but they look a little off-white compared to the paper. And I thought this would look cute because of all the, it almost looks like dripping ice cream because of, you know, all the dripping ice cream there. So I thought that'd be cute. Okay, I keep trying to take them from one place over another just to, so they're all kind of grouped together when I get done. Okay, I want to put one more place, and where is that going to be? Maybe up here, because I don't want to cover any more cones over here. So I'm just going to do, and I'm kind of doing the same thing where I have more of a, I've still got like a triangle, but it's more of a dripping triangle, if that makes any sense. Okay, so that's it for today. Oh, maybe I'll put a couple of dots inside these pinwheels. So I was thinking that earlier. So I'm going to use 2 more, and I wondered about a color, but I decided I was just going to use white in there. Okay, so that's it. I think we only have 1 more day to go. I think this is day 19. So I will see you tomorrow, and we'll be wrapping this up, and then we'll go on to something else. So have a wonderful and blessed day. Make sure you check out the link down below where you can see everybody that is doing YouTube videos on using base pages. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.